Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
Start by creating 2 activities in your Android Studio project. Create main activity and detail activity classes with matching XML layout files. Keep names clear to avoid confusion during linking. Open Android Manifest, XML, and add an activity entry for detail activity under the application tag. Save the manifest changes so Android Studio recognizes the activity. Keep layouts simple for initial testing. Use unique ID in both layouts to reference buttons and views later during intent setup and click handling. Open main activity and create an intent to launch detail activity. Use intent this detail activity class to construct the intent object. Add data with intent. Put extra item ID 123 when you need to pass values. Set an on-click listener on a button to call start activity, intent on click events. Use start activity, intent to perform navigation immediately. Keep each method call on its own line for clarity. Test the button to confirm the new activity opens and receives extras properly. For returning values, use register for activity result with activity result contracts. Start activity for result. Register the callback in main activity before launching the intent. In detail, activity set result data with set result OK, return intent, and then call finish. Make sure detail activity is declared in Android Manifest. XML and add intent filters only when external launch is required. Use clear result codes like result OK and result cancelled for readability. Test the flow to confirm main activity.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.